Hey everybody, Cliff Yates from the island, and yes, I'm loving these new Bungee dock lines. They come lengths of 4. We got 2 to a package. Order them on Amazon, next day delivery, and they're 4-foot lengths, and they expand to about 5 foot, and they work great, obviously on your boat, but I'm using them on my jet skis here at the dock at the island because big boats go by, little boats with a big wake, and they push my jet ski off the dock. And now that we have these bungee dock lines, they give, and then they pull the jet ski right back to the dock safely, softly. And now these come with a clip, and you'll see the ones that I have on the jet ski right now just have a loop on the end, and they have a loop on the other end. But they work great on these jet skis. Now I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these bungee dock lines, and you can use them for your boat or your jet ski like I do. And they're very easy to put on, and you can pull or push them the distance you want and just hook it right on to the dock cleat and you're in business. I'm very happy with these bungee dock lines. Get yours today. The link in the description. Hey, subscribe to the channel. Get notified when new videos come out.